this BareMinerals Well Rested Concealer. So let's just put a little bit on the cap. This Real Techniques concealer brush. Warm it up on here, and then I just tap a little bit underneath my eye. So it kind of settles the concealer with powder. Sometimes I'll put some like this on my nose, down the bridge of my nose, just to kind of highlight that area. And then I have this, it's like a special edition BareMinerals foundation. This is the original foundation, and it's got SPF 15, which I love, and this is in the color Light. This BareMinerals kabuki brush, put it in here, and then I just kind of tap and then put it all over my face. So this is also going to allow the concealer in the other areas that I put to settle. It's got a little crack right here, but this is what it looks like. This angled contour brush that I got from Ulta. Doesn't have a number, I just put a little bit on there, tap a little away, and I'm going to go right in the middle but slightly higher, so I feel like that lifts my cheekbone up a little bit. So not right in the area, just above it. So I create that line right there. I do the same thing on the other side. So here is the right in the middle. I'm going to go slightly above. And then I go here. And then I just kind of smooth this line out. So it's like a big three. You want to go like that and then like that. So I like to put it from here down. And then I like to put a little bit right here also. I also put a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Just on the side here. Here and right underneath, so it kind of shortens the nose and makes it thinner. And if it feels a little rough, then you can take that same kabuki brush and just kind of smooth over it, and it just gives it a nice little finish. Blush, this is another BareMinerals one. This is in the color Laughter. Tiny little bit on the cap. Brush here. I don't actually even know what brand. I think this is a CoverGirl one. I think it's just from the drugstore. I'm just going to put this on the apples of my cheek. Barely tap, and then now that I've done that and I have all of the excess on my skin, then I'll blend it back in like a small circular pattern. See, I'm blending it into the contour. So here I'm going to use this Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette. Got really nice colors, I love it. This medium color right here. I put this on my entire lid. Now I'm going to take this here and I'm going to take this orange color right there and just lightly tap right in the crease. So just like that. And I'm just going to sweep back and forth. This color right here, this is like a purpley plum color, and I'm just going to take a very little bit and I'm going to work it on the corner of and do that same movement. So it's kind of like a little circular right here, and I'm really focusing on putting it more on the corner. Okay, then I'm going to take that same one that I used earlier with this light color, and I'm just going to go right in with that same color. And then put this on the lid again just to make sure that I got it real good. So I tap it on the lid, blend well. I'm going to take that same brush and get that orange color just a little bit. And then I'm going to put this on the bottom of my eye, on the bottom lash line. The browsing, it's got a little tweezer and then this little brush that opens up, but I'm not going to use that brush. I'm going to use this angled brush right here that I have, and then I just go in. I always start with the bottom line here, and I just create the line right there, and then I lift up any excess powder. I like this angle to be strong. And then I'm just going to go in and fill the rest. Again, put a little bit and then build, because it's a lot easier to add more than to have to take any away. Okay, so I am going to be putting on some magnetic lashes. So what I like to do is I like to put one coat of mascara. It gives them a bigger base to be able to attach to. So I only do the top layer. And then I'm going to let this dry, then I'm going to show you how I put on the eyelashes. For my lip color today, I'm going to use the Viva Glam 2. This gloss on top. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous and Super Natural. So just put that on top. I don't like it to be super shiny. These right here, these are from Ardell, and they're reusable, so I've used them before. The ones I'm going to be using today are a little bit shorter than the full length ones, so they kind of go from the half out because it gives it more like a cat eye look. So because these are half, you want to make sure, I don't know if you can see this here, how this side has some shorter ones and then this side has a like slightly longer. So this is going to be the outside of my eye because they're going to go longer as they come up. This is the bottom one. I'm going to put it on. So same thing, I'll put it on the bottom lashes. Then I'm going to take this one and put it right on top as close to the lash line as I can. I'm pulling it into the lash line as I go. Okay. And then you just kind of want to like move them around, make sure they're spread out nicely, you know, because you're holding them, so you want to make sure. And then just kind of fill in the my corner lashes right here, just to make sure that the real ones blend with the magnetic ones. And then I put mascara on my bottom lashes just to give a nice effect, because I can't have too much eyelashes on the top and no eyelashes on the bottom. So I like to do a good thick lashes on the bottom. I just want to give you an idea of what it looks like up close. You can see that it doesn't look as crazy as you would think it does. Especially nowadays with all the people that get the eyelash extensions. You know, we're used to seeing people with long eyelashes, and it really does open up the eye. So I'm still going to put a couple layers of mascara. Not to mention that the more that you put them on, the easier it is to put them on. And if you're not, you know, I'm in front of the camera right now, so it kind of takes me a little bit longer to do it because I have the mirror here at an angle and I'm trying to show you what I'm doing. But when I'm putting them on by myself, I'm literally in front of the mirror and I go bam, bam. You know, I have one ready in my hand. I put one on and then I grab the other one, put it on, and then I'm done. So it's like super easy. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps on my channel. And be sure to hit that bell notification so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. I hope that you guys like this video. If you would like to see more things like this, let me know. This is just a quick kind of natural but still kind of glam, so right in between makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, really quick, I just wanted to show you what the makeup look looks like in a natural light, because I was in my bathroom and it's kind of like a yellow light in there, but so you can see how everything looked and turned out. The eyeshadow color looks, so it's kind of like an auburn orangey color, and then you can see that my lips are a neutral color. And that's it. I just want to show you guys that. Okay, bye.